Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the Hunting Company's giveaway car, this FRS, BRZ, whatever you like to call it, and we are going to be working on the Pandem kit. So we're not going to be painting the whole car. We're just going to go ahead and body work the kit, get this thing painted, wing, diffuser, and we're also going to cover up these holes and paint the trunk. So let's get into today's video.
How much extra do I gotta pay to get this done before everyone else?
Ooh, that might be a lot nowadays.
I'm here with an open checkbook, baby.
There's a guy out here with a Lamborghini that wants his car back ASAP.
I heard that's done. April 1st. It was done.
April 1st?
April 2nd. It was supposed to be done.
Like
Oh, that's not back yet? You should get that. You should give it to that guy first, and then just hop to this side.
Yeah, it just happened.
That ain't done.
What?
She ain't done.
Oh!
She ain't done.
Is that the Lambo?
She ain't done.
It's not done?
She ain't done.
I haven't seen it yet.
Needs a little work.
I'm sure. Well, it's got to be assembled, right?
Gotta be assembled.
I'm expecting a body.
It
Just needs to assemble. Just. Like literally everything.
Just needs the rest of 40 pieces to go back on.
something like that. There's a lot of pieces.
This will be easy though. I was gonna let you guys fasten the rear bumper to rear bumper, or the rear fenders to rear bumper extensions. I was gonna do a self tap in it, but then you'll probably complain that you want to do it, that whole thing. But I put a self tap through this one to make sure we had proper fitment on it. And then, you think it needs anything right here? Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
I wasn't sure like if it needed it or not. Other than that, dude, beginner. It's like,
Starting back at your roots.
this is like ×2 mode for you. Like just done.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start hitting this thing with some 150 grit on the car, panel per panel. Once each panel is pretty much ready to get into a little bit more detail work, we're gonna remove it and just finish up all the edges, so on and so forth. Goal today is to just get this kit in primer. Then from there, we're gonna go ahead and mount the new hardware and get this kit where it needs to sit. From there, we block the primer, body work it, and get it ready for paints after that. After probably another round of primer. That way, there's a lot of material on this car. We wanna make sure that the primer on there is nice and thick, because anytime you're working with like fiberglass or mixtures of composite materials, you definitely need a lot of material on there to work with. So you definitely need a lot of surface layer on there so the paint doesn't suck back and it looks just as good as the metal that's right next to it. All right, so everything has finally been prepped out and we're getting everything in the booth. It's a little bit later on in the day, but our painter is staying a little bit late here today to go ahead and get everything finished. I'm gonna give you guys a quick peek. Go in the booth because I've been polishing cars all day, but taking a look, he's doing the outline. We're gonna go ahead and mask off this small strip of carbon fiber and shoot the rest of the hood. In the booth, we got, I'm not gonna go in there, but we got pretty much everything else. We got the trunk, front bumper, side skirt, and the rest of the wide body there. The goal is to get everything shot, let it sit over the weekend, and Monday or Tuesday we will be ready for assembly. right, we got pretty much the whole kit bolted back up. Tomorrow we'll just go ahead and finish up with all the detailing and get this thing ready for turn-in. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. The paint looks amazing. Color match is really good, and the kit fits really nice as well. And hopefully one of you guys watching this video might win this thing. So see you guys in the morning. Guys, this thing is pretty much done. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down, give it a glaze coat. We didn't polish anything that we painted, like the hood, the bumper, the kit. Any of that stuff has not been polished. That'll be done within a couple weeks, usually about 30 days. We suggest to do a full polish over anything that we paint. So right now we're just gonna clean it up, pull it out, get a couple snaps of this thing, and TJ should be here within an hour. So let's see how this thing looks like when it's in the sun. All right, car's all done. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. TJ's here. We're gonna get a quick look at it all together. We've been like kind of working on sections here and there, but now this thing's all together. TJ here, Cal's here, the Chaches are here. So let's get their final reaction on this car.
Damn, dude, this thing looks so good.
Chach alert here today.
Who you Chach alerting?
Chach alert.
Just got back from the pawn shop.
From the pawn shop?
Yeah, dude.
Nah, the pirate ship. Sailing the seven seas, dude.
The pirates.
Robbing pirates, dude.
So I'm loving your new fitment, Teach. You could like never just like get it right the first time, huh? You like to like, you know what? We're gonna change it up after we just changed it up, huh?
It's like the Lambo, dude.
Dude, it's a freaking BRZ.
It's hard, bro.
It's a BRZ.
Shout out to Pandem. These are Pandem specs. Don't trust it. It's not right. Unless you're gonna be a Stancy boy and camera the hell out of it. It's
you know
not
what you
right.
need right now? You need like some Dickies and a flannel. You know what I mean? You got that Mexi flesh right there.
That is not ideal. That sucks, dude. It's alright, H3. I just told them, and I said, they're like, Tej, their one rule is they don't do provided specs. They only measure for you. And I said, hey guys,
like, it's a BRZ.
I'm like, guys, this time, trust me, like it's provided, it's fine. And
then you call them.
then I called them.
And what they
And
say?
they're like, why are you calling us right now? After you just posted that picture of the BRZ. And I was like, specs are wrong. I'm sorry.
The back sits pretty good.
That's what I want to say. No, dude, once we lower it,
Yeah.
it's a little aggressive.
But it looks good. Like, that's acceptable. You just drop it a little bit, you know.
Drop it a little bit.
I mean, little camber.
That's how my V3 is. It's a little aggressive, but the fronts are like, who the hell thought that was okay? The fronts are ridiculous.
Color match is on point though, man.
Yeah, the shop down the street did a good job.
The shop down the street, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, the color match is really good. Color match. Yeah, the car came out sick. So mad right now that the fronts are screwed. Hood came out pretty cool. It's
good, huh?
nice because it's not in your face.
Yeah.
It's very subtle.
Very minimum.
Lower this thing, it's gonna be so low in the front and in the corners.
So it wasn't tight before?
No, it was loose. Now it's tight. It's super mega tight.
It's easy, dude. That's super loose. That's so loose. That's like all the contraband falling out loose. Okay.
I don't know what he said.
That's called the prison wallet.
Okay.
Real loose.
Okay. When I'm driving this, it's not gonna rub. I got it. I drive lower than that.
Yeah, this is 4x4 right now.
That's Oscar going to TJ. It is pretty loose, but it's okay type of loose. You know what I mean?
Oh, hey, why you brought it up? Why you brought it up?
That's the type of loose it is.
I'm glad you brought that name up, because I think we kind of talked about this on the last vlog, didn't we? What did we talk about? Did you see it? You probably didn't see it.
He doesn't
But
know.
I remember like we talked about something. Like I gotta do like 17,000. I said, you know what? Let's do 25. And I sent you a text.
The way my schedule works is I need to submit it. Yeah, and then I need to like come back to you about it.
Get the permission slip signed.
I'll get a permit.
Get the permission slip
Yeah.
signed. Okay. Update the life insurance.
I'm never gonna come home.
No.
I ain't coming home.
Also, for the record, TJ said that I'll get to keep the Lambo. So
Yeah, I said if I die, the Lambo's yours.
All right, cool.
Now you know.
Now we know.
The lawyers are gonna have fun with that one. Why are we on the small camera now?
Because my memory card got full.
Well, delete some old clips. How big is your memory card?
It's pretty big.
So there's unused there's footage that's old. Are you
Yeah,
kidding me?
it's
Are
lazy.
you a Gen X? What are you?
Oh, Gen X.
That's a Gen X move. My
I'm
card's
a
full.
millennial.
What am I? You know what the?
I don't know. They're
Well,
a young chat.
I'm gonna go to Mexico, have a few beers and some drinks.
There we go.
And party.
There we go. I like to hear that. Okay.
And
Man of his word.
Oscar's gonna stay here because he's
What?
Because he's a puto.
No, never that.
The car looks really good. I'm happy. I f- myself as I always do, so that's good. Hopefully I don't come back here when Calvin drives and destroys the front end because the wheel fitment's too aggressive. I'm stressed. Can you tell I'm stressed?
A little bit.
I'm stressed out.
A little bit.
Always something. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to head over to my channel. Just kidding. Subscribe to SOS to get more content of me just f- myself.
What the
You're bleeping all that, right? Or else you won't be able to
Trizzy's
monetize.
doing all this.
Okay, Trizzy, shout out to Trizzy. I'll do it again. Bleep them all. How do you end your videos? Do you have an outro or anything?
Yeah, here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. That's what it
That's
is.
good.
It's a good one, right?
All right, well, here at SOS Customs, I was gonna think of something creative, but I couldn't do it. We got you covered. Goodbye. See you next video.